Hi, our friend Spencer has the hiccups, and he's upside down on his head because Nathaniel. Let me turn a light on. Hey Sean, can you turn that light on?
Blood is going to my head. Hurry up.
He's going to drink a cup of water while he's upside down to make the hiccups go away. So if you spill it, it's not going to work. It's not going to work if you spill it like a girl. Like a little weenie girl. Is it working? You still got the hiccups?
I feel like I'm being drowned with every drink.
You probably are drowned.
There, did it work?
Is that pizza coming on back up to your throat?
Well, I'm not hiccuping right now. How bad did you come down?
Okay, Naomi drove over there like last year.
All right. Stand up.
His face is all red.
Watch over the water.
Did they go away?
I think so. For now.
Try to burp. No hiccups.
No hiccups. Don't jinx me. My neck hurts.
How long had you had hiccups?
Since 8:30 this morning.
So you're glad they're gone.
And it's now like 9 o'clock.
So standing on your head and actually drinking water works.
It worked for me right now.
Alright.
Well, for a minute it worked.
Did you just
See if
hiccup?
it comes, no.
So you cured
I
it.
feel one. There's like a hiccup right here though.
Well, don't do it.
I think they're gone.
They're gone.
But I think we proved this theory that drinking water upside down actually works.